Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a long time since I did like a sit down video per se, because I really have been wanting to do this for a while, but because I've been going to events and the festival, I haven't had so much time. But finally I'm here and I'm so excited actually for this video, because I'm going to show you guys what equipment I use, because I've been getting a lot of DMs from you guys asking like what picture, what I use, how do I edit. I know I have posted like an edit video, like how I edit my Instagram videos, I don't know, Instagram pictures. But I will show you guys what equipment I use so you guys can get an idea. Okay, the first equipment I would totally say you can use is your phone, because don't underestimate your phone. You should always rely on it, if just in case if your camera is not working or if you don't have a camera, because remember, even all these famous YouTubers and bloggers, they never started with like a really expensive equipment, because no one really had that much kind of money in the beginning. Or maybe you do, like we don't really know, but I'm just telling you, you don't need that much. Like for quality content, you just need your phone, honestly. Like for not so much for videos, like yes, you can use like some of the videos with your phone, it's just not ideal. I mean, you can use it like for selfies, and you can use it like for some of the Instagram videos, because that's totally fine. Also, Instagram always downgrades the quality of your video, even sometimes your pictures. So, but for YouTube, I would totally say get a camera, even a used one. So, but anyway, so first equipment I use is my phone, and it's the iPhone 8 Plus. This also has a portrait feature. It's only iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and the iPhone X. And also 7 too, so like iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. So this is a very good feature, because it blurs the background, makes like a depth of field feature, which is like a camera, because most cameras with the different lenses, like 85mm, 55mm, they make like really, it shows like a really good depth of field, which is really cool, because it shows like your pictures is like professional. I love Canon generally, so I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just love Canon, also because they're perfect for videos. So if you're going towards the YouTube, I would totally say stick to Sony or Canon. Nikon is not really meant for videos. Everyone says that. Even Nikon themselves says like they're not really good for videos. They are just mainly for photos. They did good photos, just like not videos. So this one is the 55mm. So this is the it's with the image stabilizer and everything, but this comes with the camera itself. It's like a zoom lens, so you can like move it around. But if you guys don't know about like the other lenses, it's a primary lens, which is just to move it steady, and that's why it captures more information, but it's also because it's more expensive. Most popular one is actually Sigma. Sigma is really good. Again, not sponsored by them, just saying that if you have it, so you can try that out. But if you're just starting out, I would say get like a used one, because I got this one for like I think $400 from Amazon. It was a used one, totally worth it, because this is the EOS Rebel T5i. Honestly, it doesn't have a Wi-Fi or anything, like it's not like that fancy, but you know, in the beginning, who needs that, right? But if you like looking to something that is compact more, I also had another camera way before this, which I can link it down below. I don't have it to show you guys, but I had it, I think. From my stories, you guys have seen it. It was no, it was not Panasonic. It was Fujifilm. I love Fujifilm. They have like very vintage camera. It's so cute, but I did not like it. They're not good with videos either. It's like not ideal, but yeah, they're also good cameras as well. But this I love. I use it almost all the time, because I used to also sometimes use it for videos, but now I am using my Canon G7X, which I will show you guys after this. I mainly use that one for vlogs, because it's actually super small. Well, small, not like GoPro, but like super small. You can put it in your pocket, you can take it anywhere, you can put it in your bag. I always put it in my like small bag and like backpack, and like take it out anywhere, because it's super light as well. So yeah, it's very compact. But this one I generally use for my photo shoots, because it captures very good information, and it has a shutter speed and everything, and the aperture is up to like, I think it was like 1, no, it was like 3, I think. Yes, or 1.8. Well, you can totally check this out. I will put the information down below. But it's pretty cool, and the best part I love this camera is that it also has the touch screen. So I don't know if you guys can see it? Yeah. So you can see it has also touchscreen, so you can like adjust these settings. Which one thing I love about, because I realized so many cameras, even like their newer models, they don't actually come with a touchscreen. So I love this about this camera. Another one I'm gonna show you guys is this one, which is the Canon G7X I was just talking to you guys about. This one I generally use for my vlogs. You can see me here. Hey guys. Yeah, so this is like super small, so you can like put in your pocket, and this also has a very good aperture. If you're like using at night, it's so good because it goes all the way up to like down to 1.8. It's really good. I love this camera, and the videos is actually perfect because you can almost use this. It's like very high quality comparing to this camera that I'm just using, which was the before that I just showed you guys, Rebel T5i. It's really good. The video is perfect with this camera, and it has a flip up screen, so you can like flip it up or down. That's perfect. It's honestly an investment because I got it for $600 from Best Buy. I'm sure you can find like maybe used one, but it's a super popular camera with all of the YouTubers. I would totally recommend it. So another equipment I'm going to talk about is the tripod. This is the one I use, but there are also other brands. I generally use Frotto, I think Italian, I don't really know. But anyway, so this is the brand, I will link it down below. It's perfect, like monopod, I think that's what it's called. You can like use it like this, and you can use it like that, so like put it in the steady surface. It's perfect when you're like vlogging and you need something like a little steady. You can just hold this and like go around like this, like it's like good panoramic view, like for like if you're traveling a lot also. So, and it's like not that expensive. You can get it for like $15 or $20 on Amazon. So this is the other tripod I have. This is the big one, so you can expand it and like take it out, but I personally keep this one inside. I also got it from Best Buy, which is actually under 30 bucks. This is mostly made for YouTube, but I'm sure you can also come to for the Instagram as well, because if you're taking a lot of photos, and the big photos, like the high quality photos, takes a lot of space. So yeah, you should always have a external drive. This one I use for mostly for my YouTube channel, because you know some of these videos takes like 5 gig, even, I don't know, it really depends. Like it starts from 1 gig to like up to 5, depending on how much footage you have, and you will have a lot of footage. So this is perfect for that. This is the, it's called G Drive E-RAW, which I got it from B&H. I'm sure they also have it at Adorama as well. There's also another brand which I totally forgot. It's like orange, like same thing like this, but it's orange. I forgot the name. It's kind of, I think, Lumi drives or something. But I remember my photography teacher told me that don't get those because they're like super fragile and they like die so fast. But this is the one I have been using for a while. It's almost become like 6 months, and I never had problem before. One thing you have to be careful is this, like the cable, because this cable is a little fragile, just like the iPhone cable, which should be almost by every, I don't know, like every 6 months, because like the bottom of this part is like, so you have to be careful when you use this. You should put this, like, not so much this, but just like everything in a steady surface, so if you're moving around and stuff, it might eject itself, because that happens to me a lot when I am editing my vlog and I'm on like Final Cut. It's always like, oh, this is ejected, or like, you know, you have to put it back again and like work with the footages. But yeah, this is so convenient. It's like, first of all, you should never be editing your pictures are okay, but like your videos on your computer per se, even if you have a lot of memory, because it's gonna slow you down your computer. You should always use the external drive for your videos. It just makes it so much easier, and once you're done, you just unplug it, I mean upload it, unplug it, that's it. So it's just all saved up here, and I think this is like 1 terabyte, which I got it for like $60 I think, or because like it was like a coupon or something, you can get it for 50 bucks. I will also link this down below as well. So yeah, I think that was all. I know I'm like super hyped up because I had also a lot of coffee, but yes, anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I am so so close to 500 subscribers, so that will really help a lot if you guys do that. Comment down below if you have any suggestions and any ideas what kind of videos I should be doing next. And other than that, that's it. I'll see you guys next time.